Hello guys. Today I will share 7 types of methods to solve quadratic equation. If you persist until the end, you can learn the most efficient methods to solve it. First method is a most classic method, because most people try this method for the first time. Draw a cross, find their multiplication, and divide them. Find out their factor and bracket it. And now you can calculate each roots. This is the most easy way to find out their roots. Thus the roots is -1 and -2. Second method requires some drawing skills, but don't fear, you just need to be able to draw stickman. Create a table, find out their y value and each x value. Now you can plot the graph. Ensure that each plotted point is accurate. Last, complete the graph. And you can see I'm not very good at drawing. From this distorted graph of mine, you can find out their roots when y equals 0. One is -1 and another is close to 0.5. It's a computer graph and has more accuracy. I want to share you all guy what the graph can get. It is clear to see where the roots at. Thus, the roots is -1 and 0.5. Next method is using quadratic formula. From this equation, you can know a is 2, b is 1 and c is -1. Just put these number in formula. Express and calculate it. Separate plus and minus. -1 plus 3, divide for you get 1 over 2. And minus for divide for is -1. Method 4 is completing the square. It quite complex. You must add both side be over to a square. First put 2 to right hand side. And now you can add -3 over to square both sides. Equal -2 plus -3 over to square. Focusing on the completing the square, just ignore -3x, because it has already been completed. Express it and you get 9 over 4. Combine it. And now you can start to square root both sides. Square root 1 over 4 is plus or minus 1 over 2. Take -3 over 2 in another side. And now you get their roots. Final answers are 2 and 1. Method 5 is almost same as method 4. It only used for some specific situations, like b is 0. Simplify them by divide 4. Take -4 to right side. Continue square root both sides. And x equals plus or -2. Thus the roots is positive and -2. Method 6 is not a general method to find out their roots. It actually is check the answer or get is true or wrong. and only used for simple quadratic equation. First, you can substitute some small value into x like -2, -1, 0 and other. Just choose a number and put inside. When equal to 0, it is root. Thus the root is -2 and 1. Final method is the most easy and efficient. Just press some button and send. The answer will be obtained. Simple. What kind of method do you love, and comment below. Don't forget subscribe and share this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.